So welcome guys in our new video, and today in this video we will be creating to-do list app version 2.0, and this is the second video for our to-do list app. And we have created our to-do list app in previous video. Let's explore it without any further delay. So let's open our VS Code, and we know we have our previous code here. So we will try to see what we have created first. So open terminal. You can write here now npm run dev and then enter simply, and our localhost, our server has been started. So you can see our previous video. In previous video we have created a to-do list which look like this, and we were not able to chol school and anything. We could not add our event here just by clicking this. So in this video I will be teaching you how to add this event, whatever you write in input or box, and then set time. Then just by clicking here it must be able to update it or simply list down here. So let's see. So you can simply modify this code also, or simply you can simply you can just write it from new. So what you would like to do, simply modify this or again write it and learn it again. Many of you may be new in this video, so I prefer to write it again, so it would be easy for you to understand this. So simply write function. Before this I have told you download a Node.js. If you don't know how to create a project in React, then just see any of the previous video. I have taught you how to set up your React project at first. Okay, so let's see. So here you have to write function app and open curly bracket, close curly bracket, and then you will simply export this first. Later on you might forget it. So expo or the export default app. Simply I have exported before at first, simply because you may forget it. return written, then simply start writing your code here. Semicolon. Don't forget a small detailing. It is case sensitive, so it will simply make it error. So here you will write okay, div or app container. You can simply write, okay, I'll write it, div. Okay, this is a div in which we will write our code. Here we will write h1, or simply write a center first, which will align all the item of inside the div in center. So center h1, then you will write to do list. Okay, so refresh. Oh, what's the mistake? Okay, default, defu, default app, and then semicolon. Okay, see here our to-do list has been displayed, and then after this you will write or you will create an input tag or input type. So input input type text placeholder, you will give plec placeholder, you will give event event, and simply you can see event has been displayed. And then you will write what you will write. You will simply make a input type for your time. So input input type. Okay, here you will write time. So okay, it's better now. Now you will simply create a button to add your task. So you will write button and button, you will give add. Okay, simply after doing this, come to here. I have created plenty of space here. So you will write you will use useState For that you have to import useState first. So import. Okay, let me tell you about useState. useState is a hook used in React that is that will help you to update whatever you will input, or whatever the ongoing things you. It will simply update in the page without refreshing the page. If you refresh the page, all the data you have entered will be vanished again. So useState will simply display it without vanishing. Okay, import. You will write curly bracket useState. useState. Okay, see here, I have written small s, which is wrong. So you have to write state, stat, state always, and then from React, react. As we know, React is a library, so you can simply import useState from React library by simply writing import useState from React. Okay, after doing this, you have to come in function. Here you will again write const, 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 then bracket, big bracket, and then you will write task, task, task. Okay, s task, which is plural. Set task, tsk task. Okay, then you will write useState, useState. Okay, useState, and then give small bracket, then big bracket, then just simply close it by giving semicolon. Then you'll write const, and then you'll write task, new task. You will set new task, tasks. Okay, sorry, only task. This is singular form. Okay, this is for individual tasks. So new task only, not s. New. Okay, here new and capital new task, task. And then you will give useState again, useState state, and then bracket, then semicolon, then const, bracket, new task. Okay, sorry, new time, 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 comma, set. Okay, and capital new time equals to useState, stat state, and then again give here semicolon. So you have successfully created your useState function. Now you have to import it, like export or import, whatever you say. This practically is important, theory about me. So like you have to, okay, see here I have used capital, so here you will use small again. So you have to make a function for adding tasks, which will simply make this button workable, or simply say our whole project will be success. So write const here, come here and write const. I have simply given here too much gap, simply to make you understand what I am writing. So here we will write add task, and then add task equals to our arrow function, and then you will write condition. Okay, if what will be our condition? If our new task and our new time then if our new task and new time, then we will write or we will set task, then small bracket, then big bracket, then you will write dot 3 only. Okay, so dot then you will write task, and then you will simply give curly bracket, then you will write task, task, and our task will be new task, and then comma, and then time will be new time, so new time. So okay, like here you will set new tsk talks. What will be new talks? Simply do like this, and then set new time, time time, and our new time will be like okay. Simply after doing this, you have to close this function just by giving here semicolon. I have made a mistake, that is here it will be comma. So a small thing make a big difference. And then after giving here comma, the error has been fixed. Now simply come to your written section and you have to give here like value for these buttons or inputs. So value for this will be value new task. No spelling mistakes will be there. TSK task, and again for this value will be new time. So, and again we have to write on change our arrow function. Then simply write set new task. So new task, and then you will write e dot target dot value. Our value will be changed by doing so. And here come here, then again you have to write on change, change, on change, give curly bracket, then again arrow function e equals to simply equals to and greater than equals to, then set new time. Then what it will be, e dot target target dot value value. So I might have mistake in here, value. Okay, so come to button and write on click. You might have listened on click before in JavaScript maybe. So here you will call the function by writing the name of a function, that is add task. So this is simply like you have given here add task because you have named your function over here like add task. Whatever you write here, you have to paste it here. So after doing this, you have a fully functionable your navigation or whatever you say, but still your function to be displayed is yet to be created. So for that you have to like create a div or container for task container. Okay, let's name it task minus container task container. Okay, so here you will write task dot map, and then you have to give a double bracket, and inside the bracket you have to write what you will write. You will simply write item, item. Okay, items, or simply write item. Then you will write index, index index, and then here it is an arrow function, so simply give arrow function. Then again open another bracket, then simply write right here okay, create okay, this is a task, item task, item minus or task. Okay, here you will write okay, I forgot to give a key for this, key. Key will be our index, index index. So write task and give the value just by giving curly bracket, and then here item dot task, and again you give for time time, then you will give curly bracket, then you will write here item dot time. So let's see if it work or not. So simply come here and then write whatever schol school, and then give here your time. Okay, still it is not working. So like let's check out one by one. Like here time plus value, you can give here plenty of space if you like to. Here you have to enter. I'm just making it clear to you just by okay, on click add talks, this is okay, and then okay, see here and on change. Okay, here I have found mistake, that is on change. So like again refresh it, schol school, then write here anything. Okay, simply it had been added successfully. So you can also create here another button, that is button button, and it will be like delete. Okay, so okay, you can see here we have successfully created our to-do list. I have taught you in the previous video how to use Bootstrap and decorate this website or app or list, whatever you call it, and I have promised you to taught this how to add simply by adding here entering the event and the time, and just by clicking here it must be add. I have promised you to do that, and I have done now. It's your time to practice it for your betterment. So for today's video only this much. See you again in the next video. Till then, subscribe, like, share, comment, whatever. You can ask your queries in my Instagram, whatever you like. So for today this much. See you in the next video. Okay, bye.